You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, I know it's very confusing and there are different pronunciations in English. So let's go through the British English pronunciation, standard English pronunciation. Veterinary. Veterinary. Now, the two syllables with sounds, the t and n syllables, can be sort of skipped often. So it's either veterinary or veterinary. Veterinary. Can you hear the difference? Veterinary or veterinary? All right. Now, that's British English pronunciation. Now, American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US, is as veterinary. Veterinary. Same thing with the t syllable, it can be skipped. Veterinary. But you cannot skip the n syllable. Veterinary is the American pronunciation, or veterinary, British English. Did you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Can you pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.